guys, ito yung fishing, Danang Beach fishing boat area. Tingnan nyo guys, so tingnan yung mga net nila dyan. Ito yung kabuhayan nila dito sa Danang, Vietnam. So yan, daming fishing boat. Look at that. May dalawang nagdidit doon. Tsaka nakikita yung sa background is yung city ng Danang. Ang ganda niya, super duper. Daming fishing boat. Ito yung pangunahan nila na hanap buhay dito. Itong island sa Danang, Vietnam is 27 years lang siya. So kakaiba doon sa Hanoi, central of Vietnam. I mean, city of Vietnam is Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh. So itong Danang, isang island din, 27 years lang siya. Mas hindi populated ng mga motorbike dito. Walang traffic. Ayan. It was so beautiful here. So ayan siya. It's nice to be here guys. The weather is very hot. That's why my kids inside the bus only sitting. Ayan lang. I just share with you some info.